I am Dr. Sanjay Gupta. I am a senior physician. I have specialized in internal medicine. I am practicing for the last 25 years, and for the past 2 years I am in Stanford Hospital in Kaikondrahalli, Bangalore. The most important point in this question is chronic cough, because all other symptoms mentioned in the question is riding on chronic cough actually. So cough, when it is going for a long time, it itself can cause muscle spasms and cause chest pain, because a cough can make you retch. A cough can be irritable with a lot of force, and the chest muscles will actually take the brunt of the attack. At the same time, there are nerves which are going through the muscles, and there are intercostal nerves. Plus, there is a lot of associated comorbidity if the individual's age is middle-aged or high or elderly. So a chronic cough in a young person will differ from a chronic cough in a middle-aged person and an elderly person. And accordingly, whenever we talk about chest pain, everybody is cautious to look at the cardiac side of it. So cough can be again from the lungs, and cough can be due to a problem with the heart, which is very difficult, as well as which has to be diagnosed by certain investigations. And it mostly depends upon what age of the individual we are dealing with, and how old is the cough, what type of cough we are dealing with. And that actually decides the difference between what is originating from the lungs and what is originating from the heart. And also the numbness and tingling can be associated if there is a lot of muscle tissue which is involved, like myalgias. It can be due to some vitamin deficiencies, or it can be secondary to lot of other drugs. So as I said, there are multiple factors.